automatically assign roles in Discord? First, open your Discord server. Now, click on the server name in the top left corner. Select Server Settings and then click on Roles. Click Create Role, name the role, and then customize it with color and permissions. Save the role changes and return to your server. Now, open an internet browser and go to carl.gg. Click Login with Discord and authorize the connection. Select your Discord server from the list and click Continue. Ensure the correct roles are selected and click Authorize. Now verify you're human by clicking I am human and then click Skip. Back in Discord, drag CarlBot to the top of the roles list. Click the pencil icon next to CarlBot, go to Permissions and enable Manage Roles. In your browser, go to Auto Roles in the CarlBot's dashboard. Select the role you created from the drop-down and click Save. Now, new members will be automatically assigned the role when they join your Discord server. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.